Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable dark theme on Instagram. So first you need to go to the Instagram app. After going to the Instagram app, you'll see the profile icon on the bottom right corner. You need to tap on it. After tapping on the profile icon, you can see three line on the top right corner. You need to tap on the three line icon on the top right and go to the settings, which is on the first of the options. Go to the settings and now you can see different options. You need to go to the theme. So the theme is on the bottom of your screen. Going to the theme, now there's a different options: light, dark and system default. So if you want to enable to dark theme, you need to tap on the dark. Now you have successfully enabled dark theme on Instagram. So this is how you enable dark theme on Instagram. So bonus point, if you go to system default, then the theme changes to light. So if your device is on the light theme, after tapping on the system default, it goes to light theme. But if your device is in dark mode, then after tapping on system default, it goes to dark mode. So but the video is about enabling the dark theme. So we tap back to the dark theme. Now your Instagram is in dark mode. The dark mode has been enabled on Instagram. So if you find this video useful, like and share the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.